To create a new project task in Alert Stratus, I'm going to open my project, and I can simply click on this Add Task button here in the ribbon bar, or I can scroll down on this form to our task area, where here I'll be able to see a list of all of my project tasks for this project. And when I click on this window, I can go up to the top left corner here and click to add a new project task. So the system's going to create the task number for us, so this box here has been grayed out. I can put a name of our project task in this description field here. And then we have the option of putting a default cost code. So if there's only going to be one type of cost that we're going to be incurring for this project task, we can choose to enter that as a default. So should that be just labor costs or just subcontractor costs, for example. We also have that option for our default service. So if we're only going to be providing one type of service for this task, we can enter that service code as a default, and it'll automatically appear for us when we're creating service activities and appointments against this task. We can choose to allow billable time, and we can choose to allow non-billable time for this task. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add our estimated start date and end date for this task. And if I wish to add estimated revenue, hours, and costs for this task, we're not going to enter that here. So you'll notice that this here has been grayed out. We're going to want to enter that at the task tracking level, so we can add our estimates individually for things like labor, subcontractors, parts and expenses, and so on. And those totals will roll up for us here into these fields. So I'm now done creating my project task, so I'm going to save it. If I wish to create subtasks beneath this task, I can click on my subtasks entity here, and I can create new tasks just like we did in this previous example. And now that I'm finished, you'll see that my new project task is going to be sitting in this field here at the project level.